This is where we're going to spend the day. We have a 5 o'clock flight going to Buenos Aires once again on TAM. Let's hope that we actually get to Buenos Aires tonight. What a huge club. I just want to clarify, TAM was a partner with United Airlines and the Star Alliance, but it is no longer. It doesn't help us any. When you sit in a club for an entire day, it's important that they change the selections, and they just put out some really tasty quiches. I'm not quite sure how much more I can eat since I'm anticipating dinner on board the TAM flight. Ultra fabulous passion fruit tarts are so good. Salads and other tasties. Really good food. I'm beginning to hate that word estimado. Estimated time. Please, 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 please. Progress. Getting ready for boarding, and here they do it by row numbers. Priority in one line, but you still have to get bussed out to the plane, so it doesn't make any difference really. We are on a plane with a blinky and a pillow. Gentlemen, good afternoon, welcome to flight. And a menu. Just what I need to eat again. Let's see, salad, grilled steak, or grilled turkey. One list. I think it's a 3-hour flight. Since TAM is part of One World, which is American Airlines, and I doubt if we will fly them again in the near future, I thought I'd show you a little more about what to expect if you fly this airline. The seats are certainly much nicer than the ones on the A320, on United Airlines A320, I will tell you that much. This is where you plug in your headset. They put out a really nice in-flight magazine. It is in Portuguese and English. They're Brazil routes, co-chair routes with LAN. And I like their schematics of their equipment. Como medida de seguridad para el despegue, solicitamos que acomoden sus pertenencias en el compartimiento arriba del asiento. Les recordamos que van a poder I hope the meal is as good as it smells. Since I've been eating for the last 6 hours, I'm not hungry, but I thought I would order the steak just so we can see if any other airline does it better without killing the meat. Salad, fruit. It's balsamic vinaigrette. As you can see, they too managed to cook their steak to a grayish color, tough. So United is not the only airline that kills. We made it. Of suitcases. Now take a look at what we have to wait in line. You have to wait in line with your suitcases where they stick them through something to get out. Here's the arrival area. Masses of people.